Hi, I'm April with Bags by April. The last video I made, someone commented and asked what kind of sewing machine I have. This is my sewing machine. I use it to sew all my bags. Like for example, this one. I made this bag yesterday with this machine right here. This is a vintage machine from the 70s. It's a Kenmore. It has a 1 amp motor in it, and that's really helpful in powering through all those thick seams here when I do the top stitching. It also has a true free arm. It has this leg here on the back, but that doesn't really get in the way. It's really necessary when I do the top stitching of the bags. A lot of the machines nowadays, instead of just having this leg, it has like a full plate underneath, and it just gets in the way, and I can't work with machines like that. So this is my machine. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you how to thread it, how to wind a bobbin, how to load the bobbin into the shuttle, and then I'll show you some of the stitches that it can do.